Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to HTS. Thank you for stopping by my channel. I really appreciate it. And if you have returned to my channel, you think it's pretty cool, or you have subscribed, thank you very much. I appreciate it. And if you have not subscribed, then after this video, maybe you can consider doing so. And if you like it, so I teach a lot of website traffic. My name's Leonard, and I kind of go through like the modern day AI stuff. But I'm going to teach you right here, kind of run you through a little short tutorial. I don't want to take too much of your time, which I consider is best email list storage tool for marketing in 2026 and all beyond, because it's a all solution platform. So mentors are basically just people who see more in you than what you do. And let's get started in this video, because I got a short little story I want to tell you why I chose this platform. So the platform is whynotmail.com. Now, a quick little story. Now, I've used MailChimp. I've used AWeber, which I really like AWeber. I still do like them, but they gave me the boot. They gave me the boot, everybody, because I had a relationship niche on there. And on this relationship niche, one time that I've done it many times for years, I sent out an email promotion, and AWeber marked it as I can't use that. I couldn't use the relationship content. It was just weird. Anyway, by the time I responded, they kicked me out. So I found this platform. The cool thing about this platform is you could upload any list you want. If you have, marketing, a relationship niche, an adult niche, whatever it may be, they're okay with it here. So let me kind of show you the benefits of it. And I do want to let you know I do have an affiliate link in the description of this video. And if you want to check it out, it starts off at $25 for the basic plan. And you could do a lot with that. You can store all your emails, send emails. Um, the other one above that is where you could do set up your autoresponders and all that, and you could always contact support. They're very good. They get back to you ASAP. So let me show you right here the benefits of this. So you could also come here and check it out. I know you got things to do. Um, just kind of want to run you through this real quick and kind of show you a little bit on how I use it, and yeah, we'll go from that. So they also do a what's it called on your emails. They kind of do a little scanning through it to make sure if it's not going to be considered as like spam, stuff like that. So it's pretty cool platform. And once you create a an account, it's going to take you to your account. Once you open it, it's going to be like this. Now I'm going to kind of run you through real quick how you create a form. Um, this is my website right here, laptopformers.com. I will also have this in the link in the description, and you could go check it out. I do have a freebie that I'm giving away right here. I give away a lot of free stuff on here for those of you who might be able to use it. Hey, I also got a lot of other videos on this channel you can check out. So, but I use it right here. I always gather these two informations: email address and first name. And if you needed some tools right here, you want to make sure you're in compliance with the law, check this one out right here. If you want to track your ads right here, you want to create a 60-second website right here. It's an AI tool. It's pretty cool. And I also use it down here as well. You could also have it change the color. So this is how you do it, everybody. You go right here. You go up here to forms, create a form, and you're going to kind of let me just put test right there real quick. Kind of want to run you through this. And on this one, it's going to be for website marketing list. And I don't mess with any of these emails that it sends out right after, because sometimes it wants, you could choose whether you want them to confirm the the link to make sure they're a real person and not a robot. So I don't put the lead magnet in the emails anymore, because a lot of email platforms, Gmail, a lot of them, they didn't like it no more. So I always give them the option to download their lead magnet on my thank you page. And so once it's all in here, all you do is go right here. So this is what's going to bring up right here. Now you just copy this and you paste it in ChatGPT, and it's going to come out with the HTML format. But you ask ChatGPT if it could simplify this code, and when you do that, it gets it, and all you do is go to your WordPress site, and I use Elementor, You open up the HTML box, you put it in there, and it puts it in there for you. Of course, you got to run a test on it after. Maybe you might need a few little uh, adjustments, but that's on that right there. Now, you could also upload cold email lists here and try to build relationships with them. Maybe even get you some sales. Now, if you want to run the list right here, create a contact list. Um, let's see right here. Where was it? Where was it? Contacts. You could add a contact individually. You could import contacts form from file. You could export your contacts, remove contacts. So it's all right here. Now, if you want to run a campaign, this is how I usually do it. If you have an existing one that you already did already, that's where you would hit send an email campaign. That will bring up one of your emails that you already have made, and you could resend it or edit it and just resend it like that. But I want to show you real quick right here on um, this because there's so many templates, everybody. If you're in um, lingerie, law, arts and framing, arts and crafts. There's so many here that you could pick. Um, where are they? Child's play stuff. There's so many. But, I just want to speed this up a little bit. I just go to the very bottom over here and I pick one of these ones right here. These are pretty basic. Now, prior to making this video, I had ChatGPT pick me out an email real quick so I could show all of you because I know you got things to do. And hey, I just wanted to ask all of you out there if if you are liking this content and you think it's pretty cool, can you give me a thumbs up? I'm trying to get this video pushed out to more people who are interested in or might even need a solution to solve their problem. And if you consider subscribing and tapping that notification bell to get notified of future videos that will be coming up real shortly. So let's get back to the video here. And I usually take out this image right here because I usually take it out because promotions. It usually goes to promotions, and that's where I want to show you here in a little bit. Where I want to do my email subject line to be kind of personal. Now you could do it any way you want, but right here I would put my email. I would put all my links. All you do for your links, for example, right here, I'm gonna go right here. You put your link right there, and then you open new window. You save it so they could go to another window when they click on whatever you're promoting or trying to sell, whatever. You could put your button here, but I just remove that. Now you always want to keep these here. To unsubscribe, click here. You always want to give them that option. Don't even play with that. Once it's done, save and exit. And that's that on that one. So that's on the campaigns. You could always check your statistics, and there's a lot more you could do here. Let's see. See what lists you got. Processing bounces emails. You can see all that. See what's bouncing and what's not. Like I mentioned earlier in this video, if you have a list that is in the relationship niche, and you're trying to send people stuff for maybe even Valentine's or just whatever they signed up for, you could do it here. You can do it here. I'm not going to dive too deep into because I don't want to show all my emails. Then I have to blur it out and stuff like that, and I don't want to show all that because that's my list and stuff, and you don't want people to get mad at you or just because you accidentally gave away their stuff. So what else is here I want to show you? Manage your list. I got all my lists right here. I got quite a few of them. Some are still growing. Some websites I'm still building, but I think I still have some stored somewhere else. But anyway, yeah, those are some of the lists I have that right here. You could add a contact just through here. You could copy, delete, whatever you feel like doing. And let's see. Right now, you want to add a contact. You go right here. You pick what list you want them to go to. Whatever they're signed up for, or just wherever you want to put them in those lists right there. See your statistics, autoresponder statistics. This is where I mentioned earlier. If you want to check this out, it's gonna be in the description. to set up your autoresponder, you do have to get the one above the basic package, and uh, in there you could contact support, let them know I or you know what, once you open that one up, actually it will give you access to your autoresponder and how to set all that up. Me right now, I'm not using that, so I'm kind of I'm just using the basic right now to store all my stuff. But yeah, I mean, there's so many options that are here that all of you can use, and I don't want to take up too much of your time. I know a lot of you are busy out there, but go ahead and check out the links in the description. There's a lot of free stuff. I always give free stuff away just because when I first got all my free stuff, I used to value it because I couldn't afford it all. I couldn't pay for it, and the stuff I did pay for, I actually really I valued everything. My free stuff, my stuff I paid for, I valued it all because I knew it was stuff I needed to continue my journey on this online. So, email marketing tool. I hope you like it. If you want to use it, the link's there, and feel free to check it out. And like I said, you can store all your stuff there, and you don't have to bounce around, jumping around, trying to figure out which one's best for you. I mean, $25 a month. I know some other platforms are free to a certain amount, but if you're working in a certain niche that don't allow those types of emails, then you're going to kind of be hitting a roadblock. And in this platform, you don't hit a roadblock. It's pretty straightforward. So thank you for watching, everybody. You have a good day, good night. God bless you.